Hi everyone, I'm Nick from Inspired by Nick. Welcome to my kitchen. Today with Royal Nuts, we're going to be making these warm and soft cashew chocolate crumble cookies that are perfect for fall and winter. So let's get started. Starting with 2 cups of dry roasted cashews, which, with a little bit of coconut oil and a food processor, you can blend into your own cashew butter. Then, in a mixing bowl, combine your freshly made cashew butter with 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 chia eggs, half a tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and mix thoroughly. Next, you can fold in your chocolate chips before you start to scoop out little tablespoons of batter to form your cookies. On a sheet of parchment paper, space out your cookies to leave enough room for each to sink down as they begin to cook in the oven. Don't flatten them too much, as they'll naturally start to take their own form while cooking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and place your cookie sheet in for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once ready, you can pull them out of the oven and let cool, and then you'll have your soft, crumbly cashew butter cookies to serve and enjoy.